Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to be sharing a few tips and tricks to Windows 11 that might help you use your computer more efficiently and effectively and get things more accustomed to how you like them. Now, if you're interested in your own copy of Windows 11 or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all those links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. Alright, so I'm on the desktop here on Windows 11. Now, the first thing that a lot of people notice when you first install Windows 11 compared to previous installments of Windows is the taskbar is now neatly packaged in the center, whereas it used to be from left to right. Now, if you prefer the old look, you can actually change it right back by simply right-clicking here. We'll open taskbar settings. Now, at the very bottom, we'll click taskbar behaviors. And then here you can change the alignment to either left or center. So if you like the classic look, you can leave it there, or if you like the center look, you can leave it as is. Now the next little tip is that you used to be able to close all of your windows by actually grabbing a window here and shaking it, which would close every other window that you have open. So let me just open a few more. And if you can, as you can see, if I do this, it actually doesn't do anything. So this is now a setting that you have to turn on. It used to be called arrow shake, and now it is called title bar window shake. So let me show you guys where to find that and turn it back on. So open our start menu and we'll open up our settings. And then we'll head to personalization. And within the system tab here, we're going to scroll down to multitasking. And there is a setting right there, title bar window shake. So you can see all the ones I have open back there. I'm going to shake this. And as you can see, sorry, that wasn't the most smooth. But as you can see, everything else closed and I'm just left with this window here. Now moving on to the next tip, if you're browsing through a file or a folder, we'll just use a desktop one for an example. If I right click on this, I'm limited to options that Microsoft think are the most important, but the old menu that used to pop up here is still available. You just have to click right here. So there's just one more step, you click show more options, and this might look a little more familiar. It'll give us other options here. Now moving on, if I open my start menu, you notice that I don't have all of my folders here by default, whereas that used to be the case on Windows 10 and other versions. So if you want to have those folders here in your start menu, we'll open up our settings and we'll go to personalization, scroll down to where it says start, and if I click these folders right here, you can turn on whichever ones you want to be in the start menu. So for me, I'll just put my file explorer, documents, downloads, and videos, and I'm good with that. So I'll X out of here, pull up my start menu, and all of those are now right here. And speaking of the start menu, there's something known as a secret start menu or a secondary start menu. All you have to do to get to that in Windows 11 is to right click on the start menu itself, and then this gives us options such as terminal, computer management, disk management, kind of like those back-end settings. If you want to get to them very quickly, that's a good way to do that. Now on the right side of the taskbar, we have our quick settings, and you can easily customize this if you want, simply by clicking this little pencil icon, edit quick settings. And let's say I want to remove nearby sharing, so you just click the remove icon. If I want to add something new, I can click add a project, and we'll add cast. So of the available settings, you can remove or add as you please, just by going in over here, editing that, and it automatically saves. And while we're over here on the right hand side, this little volume button here, you can see it doesn't immediately pull up my mixer. So if I want to easily get to that, all I do is right click on the little speaker icon, open volume mixer. Okay, so now I have a YouTube video playing in the background, and as you can see, Microsoft Edge pulled up. So you have like a master, you have system sounds, you have Microsoft Edge. So you can individually mix the volume for corresponding applications, all from this little setting within your start menu. Now, another thing that you might find useful is the actual extension of file names. They're turned off by default, but it's pretty easy to turn that back on if you prefer. So here's a video file, and it's not showing us the actual file type on the end of it. So I'm gonna click on search from the taskbar, and we're gonna type File Explorer Options. We'll click over to the View tab, and in this little advanced settings box here, we'll check the box next to hide extensions for known file types. So this should actually be disabled, and we'll press OK. Now anything that has an extension such as this .docs or .nef is automatically going to show me that now. Now the new Windows 11 widgets feature, but if you wanted to customize the size or looks of these widgets, it's pretty easy to do so. And all you have to do is click the little 3 dots in the top right. We can press Customize Widget. And now we have some different options as to how we might want to change this. So if you want to make the widget pop up as useful as possible, we recommend just taking some time to go through this and customize it to your needs. All right, and the last tip we have for you guys today is removing unwanted Microsoft or other ads in general. So I'm going to pull up my start menu here, and we'll go to settings once again, and we're going to click privacy and security, general, and then these 4 right here are like kind of your main advertising settings. And for me, I just have all of them off. And by doing this, you can remove unwanted ads, and it can actually help your computer run better as well, saving on those computer resources. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys found it helpful, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Again, if you wanna pick up Windows 11, Windows 10, or other Microsoft software for a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.